बस लाइव जा रहे हैं, कुछ लाइव जा रहे हैं। When do you plan to start?
Into games, it is match game.
Distinguished jury members, we are almost about to go live. Stand by.
We are taking WebEx people. बता दीजिए इसमें देखो.
A very good evening and welcome to all our viewers. The Atmanirbhar App Innovation Challenge has concluded. The entries have been judged by an eminent jury panel comprising of some of the best minds from industry, startups, academia and the government. Today was the final round wherein the top performers made a pitch to the distinguished jury panel. And we have with us today the eminent jury members of the Atmanirbhar App Innovation Challenge. Ms. Jyoti Arora, Special Secretary and Financial Advisor, Ministry of Electronics and IT. Dr. Rajendra Kumar, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Electronics and IT. Dr. R. Ramanan, Mission Director, Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog. Ms. Neeta Verma, DG NIC. Shri Arvind Kumar, DG STQC. Dr. Sanjay Behel, DG CERT-IN, Dr. Hemant Darbari, DG CDAC, Ms. Debjani Ghosh, President NASSCOM, and Mr. Vikalp Sahani, Industry Expert. And last but not the least, our very own Mr. Abhishek Singh, President and CEO, MyGov and National E-Governance Division, Ministry of Electronics and IT. Well, everyone, the results are here now. So over to Dr. R. Ramanan, Mission Director, Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, for the news that everyone has been waiting for. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, everybody, and it is indeed a pleasure and a privilege to be part of this wonderful event that has been recently concluded, the Atmanirbhar Bharat App Innovation Challenge. In response to the clarion call by the Honorable Prime Minister for an Atmanirbhar Bharat, where he identified the 5 pillars, the pillar of demographic dividend, the pillar of infrastructure, the pillar of demand, the pillar of technology, and the pillar of socio-economic growth in order to build a self-reliant India. The Atmanirbhar Bharat app was launched by MeitY and Niti Aayog, supported by MyGov and Atal Innovation Mission. Now, this was in order to promote an awareness and recognize wonderful Make in India apps, which have not only the impact on the areas that they are creating in India, but have potential impact across the world. In response to this challenge, which was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on the 4th of July, we had a terrific response of more than 6,940 entries, which made their way for consideration. A very stringent process of being able to select the best among them for presentations was done by a committee which looked at multiple parameters. What is the impact of this application? What is the relevance of the application to the Indian context? What is the completeness and the comprehensiveness of this application? What are the features and the functionality that take into account the diverse nature of our country? We are, after all, a country of 715 districts. We have 4,000 towns. We have 600,000 plus villages. We have 26 plus languages. How do we cater to a population which has a demand in various areas? And there were 9 categories in which these challenges and the mobile application apps were received. And they were in the areas of business, health and wellness, e-learning, social networking, games, office and work from home, news, entertainment, and others. I have to tell that with a jury which is as eminent as the one which has just been shared with you, representatives from the industry, from the startup industry, from academia, from government, and from specialists who specialize in various areas such as security, data hosting, confidentiality, and so on, we went through a very stringent process of evaluating every one of these applications, and it is wonderful to find the top 24 who have made it to the top. Now, I want to also applaud all the others who participated in this, because it was a very difficult process for all of us to be able to identify these 24 and to be able to distinguish one from another in terms of its content, in terms of its relevance, and in terms of its quality. And it is indeed, this is providing a platform. And this is just the first of several engagements that we are going to have in order to encourage Make in India apps, which is going to be relevant not only to India, but to the rest of the world. And that is how we'll be harnessing the demographic dividend. I would now like to pass it over to Debjani, who will announce the results for the winners of the new and the entertainment category. So over to you, Debjani.
Thank you, Dr. Ramanan. It is my tremendous pleasure to kick off the announcement of the results. I know you guys and girls have been waiting for it for some time now. So I'm going to start off first with entertainment. Drum rolls, please. In third position, we have FTC Talent. In second position, we have Meme Chat. And of course, in the first position is Caption Plus. So huge congratulations to all three. Second category I have the pleasure of announcing is news. And here we have two winners. The second position is equal to. So congratulations. And in first position, logically check fake news. Congratulations to both. And I will now pass it on to DG CDAC, Mr. Darbari. Mr. Darbari, you're on mute.
So now I'm going to talk about the category of games. The third position goes to World Cricket Championship 2. The second category goes to Scarfall. And the winner is Hit Wicket. Big congratulations to all the three of them. And in the office category, the second position goes to Sure MDM. And the first goes to Zero Workplace. Now over to Vikalp for health and e-learning.
Thank you, Mr. Darbari. And this was a super tough job for all of us. I'm sure, it would be for all our other jury members as well. So here I'm announcing health and e-learning. Starting with health, we've got two prizes here, awards. The second prize goes to iMoms Week by Week Pregnancy Program. And the first goes to Step, Set, Go, Step, Earn, Redeem. Now, next category, e-learning. We've got three prizes here. The third one goes to Hello English, Learn English. Second is Kutuki Kids Learning App. And the first goes to Disperse. With this, I would request DG NIC, Neeta Verma Madam, to share the next set of categories.
Good evening, everyone. I have the privilege of announcing two categories. Begin with business. In business, the third position goes to Gym Books, second to Mall 91, and the first Zoho Invoice Books and Expenses. Congratulations to all of you. In the social category, we had the tie at second position in Your Code and Koo. And number one in social category is Chingari. Congratulations to all of you. Now I transfer to Dr. Behel, DG Certic, for announcing the rest of the categories.
Thank you, Dr. Verma, and it is my pleasure to announce the last but not the least is category called Others. And at number 3, we have My IT Return. Number 2 is Ask Sarkar. And number 1 is Map My India, Move, Maps, Navigation and Tracking. Congratulations to all of you. Well done. I hand it over to Devyani Ghosh for going to the next category.
Yes, so thank you so much, Mr. Bell. As my fellow jurors talked about it, it was an extremely difficult challenge for us jury members. There were some brilliant apps, and we only had a few prizes to give away. So what we have looked at is there were a few apps which really stood out and had tremendous promise to grow into something big in the future with the right level of mentorship and support. So what we have done is called out a few of these apps, what we feel is the most promising apps as a special category. And I will start by announcing again the selections for entertainment and news. In entertainment, the special category award goes to DocuBay and Boom. And in news, the special category award goes to Paperboy and Let's Up Local Breaking Marathi News. Mr. Darbari?
So in the games category, there are three winners here, which is Kite Fly, Donkey Master, and Match Game. In office category, it is Kagaz Scanner, I Am Here, and Spark Live. Vikalp?
Thank you, sir. In health category, we have Aurum, Best Therapy, Counseling, Anxiety, Stress, and Sasta Sundar, Genuine Medicine, Pathology and Doctor App. In e-learning category, we have e-medicos and Chocolate. Over to Neeta madam.
Thank you, Vikal. So in business category, we have at number 2 position Link, and at number 1 position Boomer. And in social category, at number 2 position we have Mitro, and at number 1 position High Top Doctor. Thank you.
For the others category, at number 2, we have Life Hacks, and at number 1, it is Explore AI Keyboard, GIFs, Stickers, Smart Themes. Congratulations to all of you. Well done. Over to Mr. Abhishek Singh.
On behalf of MyGov, I am extending my heartiest congratulations to all the winners and all those who got the awards, all those who got the special mentions, and all those who took part in this Atmanirbhar Bharat App Innovation Challenge. While a few of you have been awarded, a few have been made a special mention, but the real champions are all those who took part and proved to the world the mettle India has, the talent India has, the capability we have. We were amazed to get 6,940 entries for this contest in a very short time, and it was a tough task for us to do the screening. We had a huge team of almost more than 50 people who spent day and night to go through the application, to come through a norm for shortlisting the top 10, top 20, top 30, and then further looking into it, pruning the list down so that the task of the jury can be made a little easier. So even though they did very hard to do that, but the jury still had to do 5 days of non-stop evaluation in which all of you, the shortlisted ones, almost 90 apps made presentations to the jury in various categories. From the 31st of July to 4th of August, we had non-stop presentations and reviews, and after great analysis, the jury came up with this conclusion, and they have chosen the apps that have been rewarded. So I'm extremely thankful and grateful to my jury members, my screening committee members, everyone who played a big role in making this contest come to this level.
Yeah, no, it's nice. I think it's
and I'm also thankful to the entire back-end team, the Varnali, Ashutosh, Shalendra, all of Harshal, who were involved in making this happen. So I once again extend my heartiest congratulations, and I would just like to say from the government side, from Ministry of Electronics and IT side, from MyGov side, that this is the beginning. What has been done today is to reward those who were already there. But there are a lot of apps which are under development. We got a lot of apps which are under process of development, the APK files. They look very promising, and we'll soon come up with a mechanism to ensure that all those apps do get a platform, all those apps do land up on our phones, and we start using them just like we are using other apps. So the time of India, the time of Atmanirbhar apps has arrived, and we will ensure that these apps go ahead and to serve the purpose that they have been designed for. So once again, a very warm, heartiest congratulations to all of you, and thank you for joining us in this journey. Thank you and congratulations.
Congratulations to everyone. We want to see a big smile on your faces. You've done a lot of good work, and we want to see a lot of big smile on your faces.
Ma'am, thank you everybody.
Congratulations, everyone. Extremely well done.
Yeah,
Thank you, everybody.
Congratulations, well done, teams.
Thank you, everybody. This is Sakar Yadav from My IT Return. I'm a village in the lockdown. I wanted to ask that, do we get some kind of a certificate? And what about the prizes? What is the amount of prizes that we get? And when do we get that?
Abhishek.
Get the certificate, you will get the prize money as well. Abhishek, would you like to say something on this? And when will they be getting it?